Welcome back from the break. Remember, you are watching Pree Dis. Right now, it's time for Talent on the Rise. And this week, it's definitely a Talent on the Rise. It's Jedani. So, Jedani, come talk to them on my party. We are dealing.
Yeah, I Jedani. One come stand firm like a soldier. So she want lean on it like my shoulder.
No, statistics have proven that Pree Dis bring the hottest young talent always week in, week out. And right now I'm sitting with Jedani. Jedani, friend from long time and all these things. Do the music. You just recorded the video for one of your songs, Need Your Love. Tell me about Need Your Love.
Well, it's just a song about relationship. Anybody can relate to it, you know what I mean? It's about, being in a relationship and real life situation, because that's what we sing about. Sometimes you're probably not as faithful as you want to be, or, you know what I mean? You're probably not living up to expectations as far as what you should be doing, you know what I mean? But Need Your Love is a song saying, yo, at the end of the day, it's you I need and thing. I know I messed up, but it's you alone, and give me the chance and I make it up back, you know what I mean?
Is this a true life experience? Is something what happened to you?
Yeah, I think it happened to, most guys at some point or the other in their life.
Yeah, and some like a politician, but we're going to leave it alone. But you know what I mean? Tell me who recorded the song.
It was recorded by, under my own production actually, Jed High Productions. That's my own label. You know what I mean? That's my second single out, you understand? And the first single was Victory, also on my own label. But I have a lot of things coming out now. Jedani is definitely a pop reggae artist, I would say. But we do the dancehall tracks, you know what I mean? The way you move to, that is also a part of the video, is the way you move / Need Your Love. Just to show the versatility, because it's only my second video.
You think look good right now, you get me? But tell me some of the trials and all of the hardship that you face in the music business, you know what I mean? Like, what's the standout point in that for you?
How much time we have? Man, it's enough trials. You know what I mean? As a young artist, it's whole heap of things you have forgot to. I mean, you don't get a certain level of respect that you think you should deserve. Even when you're putting in the work, it's like the spotlight not on you, so you're not seen. It's you have to just work and push, and sometimes you just have to bother people to get yourself out there.
Alright, Jedani, in closing, tell me the top 3 artists you would have loved to work with right now.
Top 3. International?
It no matter.
International. Alright. One of the artists that I listen to a lot, right? Bruno Mars. You know what I mean? Big artist, you understand? Want to collaborate with a girl too. Definitely. I love Mariah Carey voice. You know what I mean? People are going to say, yo, that youth standards high, but I saw you have to set it, you know what I mean? And then, number 1, my favorite artist from day one when I love listen to, Damian Jr. Gang Marley.
Our new release from today comes from Rankon. It's a song called Mama Son. And it's produced by UIM. What at Andrew Blacks? Big up yourself. Hey, Ranko, take the stage right now. Come out.
One man people not like the progress. Tell me why them a fight the progress. Ranko a rise and me see them a protest. But them can't stop me, I'm so blessed. Hey boy, move out of Mama Son way. Me a warn you. Watch you make me have a good day. Who no see how long me a work and pray. Finally me song start get radio play. Hey boy, move out of Mama Son way. Me a tell you no. Watch you make me have a good day. Who no see how long me a work and pray. Finally me song start get radio play. Hey, faith without work speed nothing. So work hard and have faith and the gate will open.
Earlier in the show, we showed you a video from Tanya Carter, and you know she's from Belize, so we already gone over the Caribbean, don't it? But right now, it's to officially bring you all of the Caribbean, because it's a Caribbean buzz. So Terra 3000, talk to them, you're my boss. You know we do it every week on the show, don't it? Terra, your turn.
Follow me across the Caribbean for this week's Caribbean Buzz. Red Hot Jamaican dancehall star Conscience is the only dancehall act booked for the 22nd staging of the St. Lucia Jazz Festival. The festival will run from the 30th of April to the 11th of May. Dominican reggae artist Ima Moses has released the video for his highly anticipated single, Make It One Day. The song is a social commentary covering real issues that poor people face every day. Make It One Day was shot in various sections of Kingston last month and was directed by Jamaican Damian Gale and Cornelius Grant. The song was produced by Adrian Hansen. The 33rd staging of the Heineken Regatta was held in St. Martin recently. It featured performances from some of the Caribbean's most dynamic performers and was headlined by legendary R&B group The Commodores. Trinidadian soca queen Destra also performed at the event. Home Again, the movie starring Trinidad-born American actress Tatiana Ali, Canadian singer Fifi Dobson, and others, debuts in Trinidad on April 3rd. Filming of the movie in Trinidad took place last year, and over 1,000 natives made appearances in the movie as extras. Parts of the film was also shot on location in Jamaica. The film was produced by an award-winning team of producer-writer Jen Holness, director Sud Sutherland, and producer Dan Carmody. Now that's it for the Caribbean Buzz for this week, and I am Terror 3000.